Combined team of Assam Rifles team of Combined Force has conducted search operations at Kamengsabal and Mayanglangjing Tamang under Lamsang police station this early morning at around 2:30 a.m. The security forces arrested 14 persons including 3 women in the operation. The security also seized some weapons, ammunition and vehicles from their possession. The arrested persons were identified as Pari Macha of Sagolband, Pari Achauba of Wangoi, Lemba of Luker, Athoiba of Haurang, Kairel, Munan of Kangmon, Kangla of Langthabal, Chingsang Lakba of Langthabal, James of Pumlo, Bobo of Pukhao, Liglai of Haurang Kairel. The security forces have collected 5 carbine, 1 AK-47 rifle, 2 rifle 303, 1 insas rifle, 2 pistol 9mm and 1 double barrel with ammunitions. The combined force also seized 1 Vespa 2-wheeler, 1 Activa 2-wheeler, 1 Beat car, 2 Gypsy and 1 Safari Storm car. The arrested persons were handed over to the concerned police stations for further investigation. A source says that a combined force, including Manipur police, suddenly launched a search operation at Mayanglangjing Tamang and Kamengsabal at around 2:30 a.m. today. The local Marapibis tried to storm the combined force and requested not to conduct operations at the area. But the security force dispersed the Marapibis by firing tear gas shells and real bullets. 4 Marapibis injured in the incident. A local Marapibi of Mayanglangjing Tamang expressed that the 14 persons who have been arrested by the security forces from the area are innocent. They were all village volunteers, not terrorists. Release them without any conditions at the earliest, or search should be launched. Here is a report from our video journalist 79 Laisha.
I know Lajariba Mafamasi, Akogi, Langjing Tamang, Kamengsabal, Haribama from Dani, Haribama from Masita Rang, Akoyang Mak, Akogi, Noalam Dagipung, Anima Kairom Tabu, Matamda, Akogi, Central Force, Amadi State Force, Hariba, Ani Sin Sanchilakuna, Akogi, Kungang, and Abogidamta, Akogi, say the volunteer Mayamama, Akogi, training Tauduna, Lairiba, volunteer Mayamama, Nupa Taramatoi. Amadi nupi masa ahum yauna mioi taramari makoina pharaga pukre haiba mioi singasi phakriba mioi singasi akogi kun akogi kuki lalhobu singna mayum makai mai thadok pikraba amadi akogi mama mapa hatok pikraba mayamba hatok pikraba adugumlaba mioi ngaktani haiba mioi singasina tholaklaga akoju Manipur gi iramdam iraiba sikaiba yaroi haibagi damakta akogi Kunga ani haiduna akogi local volunteer oina akoi training khara tawraga lejabani haiba wafam akogi laibiriba mafam sida laibiriba imai bel singna phongdok pirakpagi matungina akoida pirai haiba phongdok riba wafam sing asina akogi haiba phakba nupi macha ahum adusu akoi relief camp da laiba nupi macha ni aduga haiba nupa macha sing adusu akogi relief camp da laiba adagi akoi mai mai lejadraba haiba adugumlaba mioi ngaktani haiba wafam thambirakli aduna haiba mafam asida lairiba mafam asida lairiba nupi macha amadi nupa macha sing ado athubo matamda thado piro haiba wafamni akogi lairiba lekai sigi mioi singna hariba si
ngarang khangauduna changtelaga state force amsung central force na khun ngak pasing level sing je khangauduna phagre sida sa ichal lohum sa sing thung na bigdam ta lebeju kemta nupi police yogna phabi gre sida irang haung na ba government na sillira thoina tapakta da sum tawba chingda di kem tawdaba yaragri si ahen miyang changnaba ngasi khangauduna nungdangda state force amsung central force na changdelaga khun ngakpagi sinau sing level sing je phabi gre sida phabu matamda lekai sida maira pai bido onjalaga nungai kapi sida chak ising thongjaraga leijaba isal ahum su phaba yauki aduda nupi police yauduna kamaina karamba runingi makhada pharimno adagi yamna nakna langun singaju yamna nakna leiba area sida kuki na mamang thakta nungai kapsali sengkhatki haibna leiriba khunja sing mi pai duna leiriba sida khungak pasing dida changjalaga moina pharije thubu matamda thadoruk tragadi Manipur myam CSO sung pulaga akan mukhongjang changjangani
ꯆꯦꯟꯁꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯆꯦꯜꯂꯒ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯈꯥꯝꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯈꯥꯝꯕꯤꯌꯣꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯎ ꯈꯣꯡ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯀꯅꯣꯅ ꯁꯤꯕꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯤꯡꯉꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯤꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯗ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯒꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯈꯥꯝꯕꯤꯌꯣꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯦꯟꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯛꯑꯒꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯀꯥꯞꯇꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩꯁꯦ ꯐꯠ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯣ ꯎꯄꯥꯏ ꯁꯨꯡꯂꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯃꯩꯀꯩ ꯂꯩꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯐ ꯀꯦꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯥ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯃꯈꯨꯔꯥ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯔꯝꯕ ꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯀꯥꯏꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯉꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯖꯕꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯩꯗꯨꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯅꯨꯄꯥꯈꯩꯅ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯥꯔ ꯈꯣꯠꯂꯒ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯣꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯝꯂꯤꯕ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯩ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ AK-47 गी मरुनी अदुगा अमना टियर ग्यासनी हारिबा टियर ग्यास अमदी AK-47 मरुसिना अखोगी इमा इबेलोमदो ओनजलगा डायरेक्ट कापमबनी हाइबा पौदमसु थंबिरगी हिरमसिगी मतंगदा पौदम जरिबा 79 लाइस्रम इलिट न्यूज लंगिंग तमांग कमेंग.
On the other hand, according to reliable sources, arrested are 13 members of KCP war group and another one is horse kidnapped by them. The rescue person is in the custody of police, the sources added.